Inserting an Excel sheet into PowerPoint makes it a part of the presentation, rather than just being linked to it. Embedding allows you to keep all important documents in one place, making it easy to share with others. To embed Excel, go to the Insert tab. In the Text section, click Object. Select Create from File. Browse the file for embedding. Click OK to close. Mark the link option if you want changes made to the source document to be reflected in the embedded file. Mark the Display as Icon option if you want to show an icon instead of the full document. To open or edit the embedded sheet, right-click the Excel icon, go to Worksheet Object, and select Open or Edit. Subscribe for more videos like this.